Want to make an animated movie like Hollywood, without spending a single dollar and actually make money from it? Then watch this video till the end. I created an animated video using ChatGPT and Kling AI. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I created an animated short film featuring a clever little fox using only AI tools. No animation skills, no drawing, just ChatGPT, Leonardo AI, and Kling AI. Let's dive in. I started with ChatGPT. My goal was to create a simple animated story, so I opened a new chat and typed, "Write a short story about a pit fox who tries to eat grapes hanging high above." Within seconds, ChatGPT gave me a charming little tale, perfect for animation. Perfect. These prompts would become the visual scenes of my animation. Then I opened Leonardo AI and started generating images using the prompts ChatGPT gave me. Each image turned out beautifully. The fox had a consistent style, the backgrounds were rich, and the scenes matched the story perfectly. I saved all the images, one for each part of the story. Now, I needed to animate these still images into a short film using Kling AI. So again, I asked ChatGPT, "Write video generation prompts to animate each scene from the story using Kling AI." These motion prompts were the secret to realistic animation. Now it was time to animate. I opened Kling AI, uploaded my images, and added the prompts ChatGPT had created. Playing AI, Kling brought my still pictures to life with smooth motion and dramatic camera angles. And just like that, you can create animated videos using AI and start uploading them to YouTube, turning your creativity into cash.